He was never offered a top Division I scholarship. Scouting reports said his explosiveness and athleticism was below standard. His first book was rejected by 27 different publishers. They said his material was too different and would never sell. He was 4 years old before he could speak, and 7 before he could read. Teachers said he would never amount to much. Due to poor grades in high school, he was rejected 3 times by the University of Southern California School of Cinematic Arts. Her first book was denied 30 times. She was told repeatedly, "Sorry, that just wouldn't make a good book." He was fired from a newspaper for not being creative enough. They said he lacked imagination and had no good ideas. She was fired from her job after her boss told her that she was too emotional and just not fit for television. His teacher said he was hopeless and would never be a composer. He dropped out of college after 1 semester. At 30 years old, he was left devastated and depressed after being removed from the company he started. They overcame many obstacles and many doubters, and had the rare courage to create a life that was true to them. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching that video. Now if you haven't joined the family yet, this is what I want you to do. I want you to click like on this page and click see first so that you never miss a beat. Now for more insider information, offers, and just special challenges, go to my website at princeea.com and sign up for my personal email list. And the last thing I want you to do, you listening? Make each breath count. Peace.